guys, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Well, I'm glad we have King Kanu who came to watch one of the Somali young talented who's coming out really, Mukhtar Ali, and last week he arrived Yonis Farah, and we have a brother, and you know that it's like he gives his own time to come here on Chelsea Stamford Bridge, especially Champions League night, and he can king 20 million Somalians. They want to say every single Somalians, they want to keep saying, say thanks to Kanu, say thanks to Kanu. It's like, I don't know how they, you know, like the president, everybody want to say thank you to you. And it's what you've done for the Somali community. Not only like you came out on home cable TV on your full interview. Nobody had your full interview, no other TV apart from home cable TV. And now you came and support the young and Somali talented. And how did you see today, Mukhtar?
It's always good to support the young ones. It's always good to be there for them. It doesn't matter where you come from. I see it, we are all one. And especially being your friend, why not? If there any way I can support more and help more, definitely I will do that. I'm happy that I'm here today because I've seen him play. He's a very good, talented player. And a lot of people, I can advise you now, keep following him, keep supporting him because it's going to be great in future.
And now like Somali Awards, High Awards, they want to give you award this year as well. And they're one of the highest awards like Mo Farah, you, this is the kind of a Mukhtar. A lot of people want to get that award. I'd love to like you will be the first nominated in that award and the rest of them.
Why not? It's an award is to show what contribution you have done, and if I'm the one giving it, of course an honor, which I will appreciate and love to come and get it myself and be present and say thanks to the people that have made it possible. God bless everyone.
And also like, and we would love to take you one day, like to come. You've been in East Africa. Last week you told me you've been in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, but I want to take you to Djibouti as well, fairly as well. And you have Somaliland, who had like very great nation, Somalia. We want you to go tour with us.
Make sure you show them this video because it means that Kanu is coming to Somalia. So everybody has to sit up and wait for me. I'm coming to enjoy with you and associate with you and help out in one way or the other. I love Somalia and I'll be there.
You heard that, guys? He will come in and he will support everybody in there. Somalia, Djibouti, Somaliland. Get ready, guys. We will be coming. Thanks, King, and I'm appreciative for that. Thank you very much.